Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna do another question on probability density function. In this case, we have this wave function, and we have this constant, which are real positive constant, and we want to normalize the wave function, which means finding a, and we want to determine the value of expectation value of x and x square, and then we want to find the standard deviation of x. Sketch the graph, and we're going to find the probability of particle would be outside of this range of this plus sigma and minus sigma. We're going to find what is the probability of finding the particle outside of this range. So this is very general question. As always, this is something you should know. In this case, they're giving you the wave function, so we need to square this. So when you square the wave function, what you do, you're gonna get rid of that minus I omega t. You're gonna get rid of that factor, so you're gonna just left with this equation. We're doing from minus infinity to plus infinity, but this is symmetric, so you can just say from 0 to infinity, and you multiply with 2, and this is the square of your a normalizing factor, and this is the very trivial integration, and you can do it. And when you plug all that value in, you get integration is equal to this a square over lambda, that should be equal to 1, and you get your a should be square root of lambda. Yeah, and now we want to calculate the expectation. We know the definition of expectation value, and we can plug that in, and this is an ordered integral, so the expectation value is 0, and expectation value of this square, you can apply, this is the mixture of function, and what you can do, and you can apply integration by parts, and you can calculate this value. This is very useful for you to do this exercise on your own, doing this integration by part twice and then plugging all those value in. Make sure you get this, and after you calculate all those things, and that could be your homework. If you get the right value, you're gonna get 1 over 2 sigma square, and then what we're gonna do, we want to find the standard deviation of x value, sketch it, and find the probability of finding particle outside. And we know the definition of the sigma square variance, which is the expectation value of x square minus square of the mean. We know the mean is 0, and this expectation value of the square is 1 over lambda square, and sigma is square root of 1 over square root of 2 lambda. And now you can sketch it using any kind of plotting tool you like, and this is plus sigma and minus sigma, and we want to find out what is the probability that slit lie outside. So we know this is symmetric. Again, you can get from sigma to infinity, and you multiply with 2, and you get all these values, and this cancels out, and you can plug in this lambda is 1 over square root of 2 lambda, and lambda cancels out, and you left with this. So there is a 24% of probability finding the particle outside this 1 sigma from both sides. So yeah, I hope you like this video. If you do, give the thumbs up, and I will see you next time.